Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed some theorems. Let us discuss handsheet 2. First problem: the equation of the parabola with vertex at 6, 2. Its axis parallel to the y-axis and passes through 2, 4. And the equation of parabola with vertex h comma k, its axis parallel to y axis is x minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. 4a into y minus k. Okay, we know that this is y square equal to x square equal to 4a. X square equal to 4ay. This is the shape of the parabola. This is directrix. We know this is 0, 0, 0, 0. Now it is shifted to now A 0, 0. The origin 0, 0 shifted to h, k. H, k. Now this is y, this is x. The equation of the parabola with vertex h, its axis parallel to y axis. Its axis parallel to y axis. So, what is the equation of the parabola? X minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. This is x square is equal to 4a. But the vertex changed or shifted to h, y. This is. So, this is the x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. So, this is the equation. Now, if you want to find the equation of the parabola with vertex h, k, its axis parallel to y axis, so we should get the a. We know h, k values and x, y values also, but we don't know a value. So for getting a value, substitute h, k and x, y values. First of all, x means 2, 4. That means x means 2 minus. What is the h value here? H, k. This is h, k. That means 2 minus 6. (4a). Y value 4. What is the k value? 2. Now 2 minus 6, 4 minus 4. Minus 4 means 16 and 8a into 2. 16 equal to 8a. Then a equal to 16 by 8. That means a equal to 2. What is the a value? 2. Okay, what we are doing here? X, y and h, k value should be substituted in that formula. The equation of the parabola with vertex h, k, its axis parallel to y axis. So the origin 0, 0, x square is equal to 4ay. But the origin shifted to h, k, then that equation is x minus h whole square is equal to 4 into y minus k. So we don't know x we don't know a value, but we know x comma y and h comma k values. For getting a value, we have to substitute x comma y and h comma k value. So we got a value. Now the equation. Now the equation of the parabola. Equation of the parabola y minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. That means x minus, what is the h value here? 6, x minus 6 whole square, 4a. 4a means 2. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. Y minus k. What is the k value here? 2. So check your answer. X minus 6 whole square equal to 8 into y minus 2. Second option. So the equation of the parabola with vertex at 6, 2, its axis parallel to y axis and passes through the point P x, y equal to 2, 4. So the equation of the parabola with vertex h, k. So h, k means the origin 0, 0 shifted to h, k. So what is the equation? X, h whole square is equal to 4 into y minus k value. So this is the equation, but we know h, k values and x, y values, but we don't know a value. So by substituting x, y and h, k values, we get a value. Now the equation of the parabola x minus h whole square is equal to 4 into y minus k. X minus 6 whole square is equal to 4 into y minus 2 whole square. Okay. Okay, next problem. The equation of the parabola where focus is 1, 2 and directrix is x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. The equation of the parabola where focus is 1, 2 and the directrix is x plus 1 equal to 0 is okay. We have a certain formula. The equation of the parabola where focus is 1, 2 and the directrix is x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Write the formula. The equation of the parabola having the equation of the parabola whose focus is h comma k, and the directrix Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is x minus x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to Lx plus my plus n by whole square by L square plus m square. Okay. The equation of the parabola where focus is h comma k and the directrix Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Okay. We know that Sp by Pm equal to 1 for the condition of the parabola. Sp by Pm equal to 1. So by the cross multiplication Sp equal to Pm. Sp means the distance between focus and point on parabola. Point on parabola like this. Focus and point on parabola. This is P. This is focus S. So yes. And what is Pm? The perpendicular distance to the directrix. That means M. We already proved that. This is Sp. This is Pm. So for the parabola, Sp by Pm equal to 1. Sp by Pm equal to 1. By the cross multiplication, Sp equal to Pm. Sp means the distance between the 2 points, focus and point on a parabola. Pm means the perpendicular distance to the directrix. That means Lx plus mi plus n. So Sp equal to Pm. Sp square equal to Pm square. Okay. The distance between the 2 points x2 minus x1 whole square plus root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, and square means the perpendicular distance point to directrix Lx plus my plus n by root of L square plus m square. This is the perpendicular distance. So that's why right. The equation of the parabola whose focus is h comma k and directrix Lx plus my plus n is directly you can write x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. So what is the root? Root is cancelled by the squaring on both sides. Sp square Pm square. By squaring Sp, the root is cancelled. That's why x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. So Lx plus my plus n whole square by L square plus m square. Now substitute. What is the h comma k values? 1 comma 2. X minus, what is the h comma k? X minus 1 whole square. Y minus k, what is the k value? 2 whole square equal to Lx plus ma plus n means directrix x plus 1. Lx plus my, there is no value. And see, an n value, Lx means 1x. My, there is no term. N means 1. That's why directly write x plus 1 whole square by L square means compared to the Lx plus my plus n compared to the Lx x plus 1. This is means L. What is the L value? 1. 1 square. What is the M value? No. And 1 square plus 0 square. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to x plus 1 whole square. 1 square plus 0 square 1. X plus 1 whole square by 1 means 1. So this is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. So what is the x square? X square both are cancelled, and y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2x. So y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 1 both are cancelled. So y square minus 4x minus 2y. You can write directly like, otherwise not expanded, only x square minus 2x plus 1 equal plus y minus 2 whole square equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, x square both are cancelled, and plus 1 both are cancelled, and y minus 2 whole square equal to minus 2 becomes 2 plus 2, minus 2x becomes plus 2x, 2x plus 2x 4x. So the equation of the parabola equal to y minus 2 whole square equal to 4x. So the equation of the parabola whose focus is 1, 2 and the directrix x plus 1 equal to 0. The equation of the parabola whose focus is x, k and the directrix x plus my plus n equal to 0. What is it? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to x plus my plus n whole square by l square plus m square. Okay. From getting sp square pm square. Sp square means the distance between the 2 points. Pm means the perpendicular distance from the point P to directrix L. Directrix L. That means Lx plus mi plus n whole square by l square plus m square. What is the option? First option, y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4x. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to Lx plus my plus n. Here compared to the x plus 1, only x term is there. We don't know y term. My term is not there, and n is 1. By L square means x. What is the quotient? 1. 1 square plus. There is no quotient of y variable. That means 0. 1 square plus 0 square. 1 square means 1. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to x plus 1 whole square. So by the expanding only x minus 1 whole square, x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. X square both are cancelled, and plus 1 cancel. What is the remaining? Y minus 2 whole square. This minus 2x becomes plus 2x, plus 2x, plus 2x, 4x. So the equation of the parabola is y minus 2 whole square equal to 4x. Now, third one, the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis and which passes through the points 3, 3, 6, 5 and 6, minus 3. The equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis and which passes through the points 3, 3, 6, 5 and 6, minus 3. Okay, the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis and passes through the points 3, 3, 6, 5 and 6, minus 3. Okay. Since the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis, since the axis parallel to the axis of the parabola is parallel to x-axis, its equation is x equal to x equal to ay square plus by plus c. Okay, since the axis of the parabola is parallel to x axis, let's its equation is x equal to ay square plus by plus c. By plus c. Okay. Passes through which points are there? 3, 3, 6, 5, 6, minus. Okay. If parabola passes through, three, 3. What? 3, 3, x, y. That means 3 equal to ay square means a 3 square b into 3 plus c. Substitute x and y values. X value 3, y's value is also 3. 3 equal to 9a plus 3b plus c. This is equation 1. If parabola passes through the point 6, 5. Now 6 equal to directed. Substitute 6, 5. A y square. Y means 5. And then 25a plus by. That means 5b plus c. This is equation 2. Now, if parabola passes through the point 6, minus 3. Okay, now 6 equal to, what is the x coordinate? 6 equal to ay square means 9a, 3 square means 9, minus by means minus 3b plus c. This is equation 3. Now solve equation 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Solve equation 1 and 3. (9a) plus 3b plus c equal to 3 and 9a minus 3b plus c equal to. Now add 1 and 3 equations. Add 1 and 3. So by adding 1 and 3 equations, plus b and minus b both are cancelled. 18a plus 2c equal to 9. This is equation 4. Equation 4. Now solve equation 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Solve equations 2 and 3. Okay. Try to cancel b value. Here plus 5b, here minus 5b. By multiplying 3, here 3 into equation 2. What? 25 into 3, 75a plus 15b plus 3c equal to 3 6 are 18. Now 5 into equation 3, that means 5 into 9a, 45a minus 15b plus 5c equal to 30. 5 6 are 30. Now this is 45 plus 15b minus 15b, both are cancelled. Now 120a plus 8c equal to 48. 8th table, cancelling 8th table, 15a plus c equal to 6. 8 15s are 120, 8 1s are 8, 8 6s are 48. This is equation 5. Equation 5. Now see equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4 and equation 5. Okay, solve equation 4 and 5. Solve equation. Solve equation 4 and 5. 18a plus 2c equal to 9. 15a plus c equal to 6. Okay. Try to cancel c value. Okay. For cancelling c value, the fifth equation should be multiplied by 2. Okay. Equation 4 equal to 18a plus 2c equal to 9 and 2 into equation 5, that means 2 15s are 30a plus 2c equal to 6 2s are 12. Now what we have to do? Subtraction. Plus 2c minus 2c, both are cancelled. Minus 12a equal to minus 3. Okay, a equal to minus minus cancel, a equal to 3 by 12, that means 1 by 4. What is the a value? A value equal to 1 by 4. Now substitute in any one equation for getting c value. Substitute. Now substitute a equal to 1 by 4 in equation 5. In equation 5. What is the fifth equation? 15a plus c equal to 6. 15a means 15 by 4 plus c equal to 6. Now c equal to 6 minus 15 by 4. That means 24 minus 15 by 4. That means 9 by 4. What is the c value? 9 by 4. Okay, after getting fourth and fifth equations, solving fourth and fifth equations. Write the directly fourth equation 80a plus 2c equal to. But the fifth equation should be multiplied by 2 for cancellation of c value. 2 into 15a 38, 2 into c 2c. So by the subtraction 2c plus 2c minus 2 both are cancelled. 18a minus 30a minus 12a. 9 minus 9 minus 12 minus 3. A equal to 3 by 12, A equal to 1. A value 1 by 2. Substitute A equal to 1 by 4 in equation 5. 15A plus C equal to 6. 15A into 15 into 1 by 4, that means 15 by 4 plus C. C equal to 6 minus 15 by 4. So finally C value 9 by 4. Now substitute A and C values in equation 1. What is in equation 1? 9a plus 3b plus c equal to 3. 9a plus 3b plus c equal to 3. A value means 1 by 4. That means 9 by 4. We don't know B value. What is the value of C value also? 9 by 4 equal to 3. 3B equal to 3 minus 9 by 4 plus 9 by 4. 2 into 9 by 4, that means 9 by 2. 9 by 2. So 9 by 4 plus 9 by 4, 9 by 2. That means 6 minus 3 by 2. 3. 6 minus 9 by 3. That means 9 by 2. 3b equal to 3 by minus 3 by 2. Now b equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. 9a plus 3b plus c equal to 3. 9 by 4 plus 3b plus 9 by 4 equal to 3. 3b equal to 3 minus 9 by 2. LCM 2. 6 minus and minus 3 by 2. So 3 cancel. Directly 3 cancel. B equal to minus 1 by 2. What is the A value here? A equal to 1 by 4. B equal to minus 1 by 2. C equal to 9 by 4. Now substitute the equation. What is the equation? Since the axis of the parabola parallel to the x-axis, the equation is x equal to ay square plus by plus c. What is the equation? The required parabolic, the equation of the parabola, the required equation of the parabola parabola which axis parallel to the x axis, x equal to by square ay square plus by plus c. Now substitute x. What is the a value? 1 by 4 y square. What is the b value? Minus 1 by 2. That means minus y by 2. What is the c value? 9 by 4. 9 by 4. LCM 4 y square minus 2y plus 9. Now by the cross multiplication, 4x equal to y square minus 2y plus 9. Okay, what is the given answer? Here x is y square okay. Rearrange like that option. Y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 9 equal to 0. This is the required answer. Option 3. Y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay. So what we have to done in that problem? Since the axis of the parabola parallel to the y-axis, then equation is x equal to ay square plus by plus c. Passing through the 3 points 3, 3, 6, 5 and 6, minus. Now substituting these values one by one, we are getting 5 equations. By solving one equation, we got the fourth equation, and by solving one and another equation, we are getting fifth equation. By solving the equations, we are getting a, b, c value. A value 1 by 4, b value minus 1 by 2, c value 9 by 4. So substituting in these equations, and x equal to 1 by 4 y square minus y by 2 means b means minus 1 by 2. That's why y by 2 plus 9 by 6. So by the transposition, 4x equal to y square minus 2y plus 9. Y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 9 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the axis parallel to the y-axis, which passing through the 3, 3, 6, 5 and 6, minus 3. Now, first write the fifth question. The coordinates of the points on the parabola y square is equal to 8x, whose focal distance is 10. The coordinates of the points of the parabola of the points on the parabola y square equal to 8x, whose focal distance is is 10. Okay. Now, what is the given parabola? Y square equal to 8x. Y square equal to 4ax. That means 4a equal to 8. A equal to 2. Now, the focal distance equal to x1 plus a. x1 plus a. Okay. x1 plus a equal to 10. What is the given focal distance in that problem? The focal distance is 10. x1 plus a. So, this is the parabola. Y square equal to 4ax. This is the point. Focus a comma 0. A comma 0. This is directrix. So, here minus a comma 0 and y square is equal to 4x. The focal distance is x1 plus a. So, x1 equal to x1. What is the a value? 2 equal to 10. x1 equal to 8. 10 minus 2, 8. So, now y square is equal to y1 square equal to 8x1. y1 square is equal to 8 into 8. y1 equal to plus or minus 8. Okay. The coordinates of the points on the parabola y square is equal to 8x, whose focal distance is 10. Take the parabola y square is equal to 8x, y square is equal to 4a into x. That means in the place of 4a, which one is there? 8. So a equal to 2. The focal distance equal to x1 plus a. What is given in the problem? 10. x1 plus a equal to 10. So x1 equal to 10 minus 2a. So take the parabola, given parabola, y1 square equal to 8x1. y1 square is equal to 8. What is the x1 value? 8. Y square is equal to plus or minus 8. Why? Because there is a root. Root of 8 means y equal to root of 8 means y equal to root of, this is 16, y1 square equal to 64. y1 equal to plus or minus root 64. That means y1 equal to plus or minus 8. So the points are the coordinate points on the parabola. The coordinates points equal to 8 comma 8 and 8 comma minus 8. Why? Because y value plus or minus 8. That's why the coordinates of the coordinate points 8 comma 8 and 8 comma minus 8. So there is an options first one and third one. 8 comma 8, 8 comma minus 8. Okay. Y square is equal to 8x, y square is equal to 4a. If c equal to the focal distance x1 plus 8. So x1 equal to 8. Substitute x1 value in take y1 square is equal to 8x1. So what is the y1 value? Y value is plus or minus 8. So the coordinates of the point 8 comma 8 and 8 comma minus 8. Okay, my dear students, let us discuss some more problems in next class.